Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I go with the name of Aphiwe.Zunguu on Instagram. If you're a returning subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified next time I drop another video. And if you're just new to the channel, please do subscribe. I pretty do understand that you're gonna have fun this channel as we're gonna be learning everything for it. We're gonna talk jokes, we're gonna talk everything, and I'm basically gonna help you all in terms of like making it in the trading industry. Right. So as you can see, this is like basically like a part 2 of like the live trading of this video. This is like a part 2 of it. That we had Nasdaq, US30 and German 30 for our upcoming trades, right? We have German 30 and US30 for our upcoming trades. So bro, let us hit like 100 likes on this video, bro. That's all I'm asking for. 100 likes and at least like 500 subscribers, bro. 500 subscribers before the year ends. That's what I'm manifesting, bro. 500 subscribers before the year ends. But whatever God gives me, I'll accept it and I'll appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Fuck is that? Yeah, bro. But I just came to like the biggest mistake ever. But I never did this mistake ever, bro. Bro, I literally shot a video yesterday. I shot a video, like the intro part that you saw in this video. I shot a video and stuff like that, and I was like explaining how I took the trades. I literally break down this market. I literally broke down GBP/USD and EUR/USD. As you can see right there, those are like the two pairs that are there, like red mark and stuff like that. I literally broke down those pairs and stuff like that, broke them down, recorded like a video yesterday, broke down GBP/USD and EUR/USD. I was like, bro, if the market actually buys and breaks this high, because the market creates at a double top, if the market buys and actually break this high, we're going with buys. But like, I saw the structure over here. I was like, no, bro, the market is failing. If the market fails, we're taking the sell. Bro, the market broke out, retest, and continued. Bro, it went in my direction, bro. Let me put the screenshot. Because I'm pretty sure niggas will start talking that shit. Talking about, nah, this is bar replay. Bro, I don't even use that bar replay thing. Like, it needs to be paid for. I don't use it, bro. I don't use it. Look, I don't use it. It needs to be paid for. You know what I'm saying? So you can't talk about some other shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I literally took a screenshot yesterday. Let me put the screenshot on the screen. I literally took the screenshot yesterday. I was like, bro, GBP/USD is gonna sell. You know what I'm saying? And it sold. But I rest my case with GBP/USD. You know what I'm saying? We murdered it. You know what I'm saying? But let me show you the actual one that we did murder like hard, bro. It is fucking EUR/USD, bro. It is EUR/USD. Let me see all this shit. It is fucking EUR/USD, bro. It is EUR/USD, bro. I broke down these pairs yesterday, bro. I was like, bro, these pairs are gonna sell, bro. Bro, I'm fucking stupid for not pressing the record button, bro. But I'm fucking stupid, bro. But like, fuck, bro. We literally took this entry. Let me put the screenshot so that y'all niggas don't talk your shit. You know what I'm saying? So that y'all niggas don't talk your shit. Let me put the screenshot real quick. There's a screenshot right here, bro. I said EUR/USD is about to sell, bro. I even gave an entry urge and a stop loss, bro. I gave you an entry urge. I was like, bro, if it touches over here again, this is a double top formation, an indication of what? Of a reversal pattern, bro. This is a double top with indication of a reversal pattern showing that the market is losing momentum to buy, and it's also a lower high also. That's more indications of taking sells, bro. Bro, I fucking regret not pressing the record button, bro. This will be literally my biggest video, bro. Bro, what the fuck, bro? But anyway, I'm saying, I'm stressed, I'm pissed, I'm everything, I'm saying. So, bro, please let us hit this video to 100 likes. 100 likes on this video, bro. And 500 subscribers before the year ends. That's all I'm asking, bro. That's all I'm asking for, bro. The more likes we get, the more views we're gonna get, bro. Please, 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 bro. Please hit the like button, bro. Please just hit the like button. But what I'm gonna do to this video, or what I'm finna do on this video, is that I'm finna break down these pairs again. I'm finna break them down, basically show you how I took my entries and stuff like that. So let me just take a screenshot for future preferences, bro. Let me just take a screenshot for future preferences. But I'm gonna break down these pairs to basically show you what I saw in me taking these trades, right? So guys, I'm sorry, my mouse broke, so I have to use this. Like you'll hear the sound from like time to time and stuff like that. So my mouse broke literally yesterday, and I was like, oh man, I can do it. But I'm gonna buy a new one though. But you know what I'm saying? Going into the video, Euro USD. What I saw in Euro USD, right? I went to the weekly time frame. You already know when I start analyzing, I'll start from the weekly time frame going upwards, right? So I went to the weekly time frame, I refreshed my chart view, and I went back four times. Went back four times. You know what I'm saying? Went back four times. I looked at the market, I was like, no, bro. This is like some sort of like a consolidation or something. Because like this was our highest point and this was like our lowest point. You know what I'm saying? And I basically threw something like this. I drew something like this. You know what I'm saying? I was like, oh, the market is in a consolidation trend. Well, the market is in a consolidation basically. Right? I drew out my lows, I drew out my highs. So I was like, nah. Weekly time frame, the market is in like a consolidation, I'm saying. Because the market moves from like high to low. You know what I'm saying? That's how the market moves. High, low, high, low, high, low. If it goes on the downside, low, high, low, high, low, high. It's just basically the same thing when the market moves, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, oh, the market is over here, the market needs to go back up, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, nah, let me just go down to a daily time frame to basically see. Refresh chart view, go back four times. You know what I'm saying? It's very simple. Refresh chart view, go back four times. Right. So when I came in here, I was like, bro, let me mark out my highs and lows first. I marked out my highs and lows, right? So this is the process of me marking out my highs and lows. So if you don't know, or you literally just, this is your first ever video watching, bro, when I switch time frames or when I'm marking my highs and lows, I'm marking areas that have 3 or more touches, right? I'm marking areas that have 3 touches, bro, 3 or more touches, bro, to basically confirm that it is a solid support or it is a solid resistance. You know what I'm saying? So I mark out areas that have 3 or more touches because literally, if I can just give you a demonstration, we had a touch over here. That's 1. We had a touch over here. 2. Touch over here. 3. Touch over here. 4. 5. 6. 7. We have 7 touches over here. That's a clear indication that it is a strong area. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I basically look for. I don't know what people call this. They call it like psychology levels or something like that. I don't know, but like it's whatever, bro. It's like it's my highs and lows basically, right? So and then I analyze near the current market price. I don't analyze something that's very far from the current market price because like if I want to trade, I want to trade today, not trade maybe like next week or something, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I just analyze my highs and lows near the current market price though, not anywhere further than that, Now I need a current market price. That's where I basically mark out my highs and lows. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I mark out my highs and lows and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And then I switched to my candlesticks to basically see like if I marked out everything correctly and stuff. So I can basically see that the market created some sort of like a high, but like it's some sort of like a double top. Yeah, bro, it's a double top. It's a double top. It's a double top. The market formed a double top. The market formed a double top. Instead of creating like higher highs, it formed like a double top. So that's a clear indication of what? Of sales, bro. Of sales. Because I literally told you that the market moves in like highs and lows, bro. That's how the market moves. High highs and high lows. That's how the market moves. If it's in a bullish trend, high highs and high lows. If it's in a bearish trend, lower highs and lower lows. That's how the market moves, bro. It's very simple. That's how the market moves, bro. So when I saw that, nah, the market is in some sort of like a bullish trend. I was like, in a bullish trend? What you mean? I'm like, bro, if you can connect our series of lows over here, we can literally come to a bullish trend. I was like, if we can connect our series of lows, high lows, we can come with like a bullish trend. You know what I'm saying? I was like, bro, we're in a bullish trend for real. You know what I'm saying? I was like, okay. But overall, in a bullish trend, the overall movement of a bullish trend, we expecting buys. That's the overall movement of a bullish trend, buys. Overall movement of sells, overall movement of bearish trend, it is sells. You know what I'm saying? So don't get that twisted, bro. Overall movement for a bullish trend, it is buys, and overall movements for a bearish trend, it is sells. It's very, very simple, bro. Very, very, very simple. You know what I'm saying? So when I saw that, I was like, bro, we basically stuck in like highs and lows and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Went to the 4 hour time frame, went back 4 times. You know what I'm saying? Went back 4 times. I was like, I pretty much marked out everything. But like I went to my line graph to basically mark out more in the 4 hour time frame. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just marking out areas of sensitivity near the current market price so that I know if like the market breaks like an area, maybe like this one, for example. If a market breaks this line, goes like below it, I know for a fact that we're taking sales, bro. I know for a fact that we're taking sales. So that's what I basically do in like my 4 hour time frame. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do in my 4 hour time frame. I mark out to basically see like, bro, for a fact, we are taking sales. You know what I'm saying? If the market breaks these lines, we are taking sales. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yeah. But like, I was very skeptical. Not to lie to you, I was very skeptical. Reason being, we're in a bullish trend, right? We're in a bullish trend, and I was very, very skeptical on taking these, right? I was very skeptical on taking these because we're in a bullish trend, first of all, right? We're in a bullish trend, first of all. But I was like, nah, if we can actually look at it clearly, we can see that we had some sort of like lows over here, lows, and we had like a bullish trend. We had a bullish trend inside over a bullish trend. I was like, for real? I was like, yeah. I corrected my lows and stuff like that, and I also corrected my highs, right? Came up with a clear bullish trend. I was like, what? We were in a bullish trend, but the market broke out, and then the market came back to retest. Bro, it's a clear indication of taking sales. I was like, yeah, it's a clear indication of taking sales. And plus, you know what I'm saying, we can see that the market has been failing over here. The market has been failing over here. And the market, instead of the market creating what? Instead of the market creating higher highs, the market created what? Lower highs. As I told you, lower highs are in a what? A bearish trend, right? So I was like, nah, bro, this is a clear bearish trend, bro. This is a clear bearish trend. And let me go to a 1 hour time frame to basically see it clearly, right? I'm like, let me go to a 1 hour time frame to see it clearly. when I came here, bro, but first of all, I basically marked out like my targets, right? My short-term targets being like, okay, my TP1, TP2, TP3, and all of that. You know what I'm saying? I basically marked them out. Came up with something like this. Came up with something like this. I think there's one because like this is where I wanna aim taking the trade. When the market reaches this zone over here, this is where I wanna exit my trades, bro. So I took my trades from here and I wanna exit my trades over here because like this is we in an overall bullish trend. So like the market is creating what a high low, in other words. High low, we're expecting high highs because we're in an overall bullish trend, right? So I was like, no, my overall TP is over here because like that's where I want to exit my trades. You know what I'm saying my overall TP is over there. That's where I want to exit my trades. Being like, okay, I am done. I am done. I'm exiting out these trades. I'm gone basically. You know what I'm saying? That's where I wanted to exit my trades. Right. The market gave me more confirmations, more confirmations. Took sales over here, bro. I was like, hey, nah. Took sales. Bro, let me just explain what was happening, bro. Let me you see all of this. You see all of the markers around over here. So let me cut all of this, bro. You see all of this. The markers around over here at those time. I think it was like around 11 at night yesterday. Stuff like that. The marker is over here. Right, so I was like, okay, the market reaching a double top from double bottom formation. That means that the market's gonna buy. I was like, okay, we're expecting a retest anyway. So if the market buys, that doesn't shake me off being like, okay, my trade might be invalid. Nah, it doesn't shake me off. Because like if it will buy, it will create a low high eventually and then we're gonna sell. So I was like, nah, I'm very confident in this trade, bro. I was very confident. You know what I'm saying I was looking clearly. I was looking clearly and I saw this line over here, this horizontal line. I was like, bro, the market has been failing over here because like if you can go to like previous data, you can see that this line was very respected. You know what I'm saying? It was a very respected area. I was like, bro, that's where I want to put my entry. You know what I'm saying? Because the retest, every time the market retests it retests it on the trend line basically. To test the trend line. And then the market tested it and it created a lower high, right? Mind you, I wasn't on the charts at this time. I wasn't on the charts at this time. I wasn't in the charts. You know what I'm saying? When I took the entry, I just put like some pending orders and I was like, I'm out. Put some pending orders, my stop loss was around over here. Yeah, this low over here. This low over here. You know what I'm saying previous high, previous low over there. My stop loss was over here. So this is like a 30% stop loss. So we're basically risking 0.35% to gain 0.94%, bro. That is good risk compared to reward. You know what I'm saying? This is like my second stop loss. Bro, if I you gotta have a trading plan. You gotta have your own trading plan. You know what I'm saying? I have my trading plan. My trading plan says I gotta have 2 stop losses, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's one stop loss being like if like I have a small account basically, my stop loss will be like, okay, the market created a high over here, my stop loss is boom above it, a little bit above it, bro. That's where my stop loss is. But like literally, that's where the market loves to go, bro. Because like the market can literally come back and create a double top formation and sell on the downside. And I'm stopped out, but like the market went to my direction. You know what I'm saying? So in order for me to avoid that, I gotta literally give my stop loss breathing room. Give my stop loss breathing room. Because 30% is literally not like a big thing. It's not a big thing. But like when you start being like, oh, maybe like 1% and 2% and stuff like that. 1% and 2%. Now that's a big stop loss, bro. That's a big stop loss. No understand? So I was like, no, in order for my safety, because the market can literally do some random market moves. You know what I'm saying? The market failed over here, come back, double top formation, know what I'm saying? And then the market sells. So I was like, nah, let me give my stop loss breathing room and stuff like that. So boom, we took our trades and we're currently just approaching TP right now. Currently just approaching TP. And yeah, bro, that's how I took GBP USD. That's how I took GBP USD. And yeah, bro, this was a very, very, very nice setup. I'm not gonna lie to you. But overall movements for GBP USD, what I'm expecting is that if the market actually breaks out, guys, if the market actually breaks out of this overall bullish trend, then we go into the downside. You know what I'm saying? If the market breaks out, then we go into the downside. But if the market actually fails to break and start maybe like creating double bottom formations over here, then we go into the upside. You know what I'm saying that's like a clear confirmation, bro. That's the clear confirmation that I'm gonna give you. All right, that was Euro USD. Now let's go to GBP USD. You know what I'm saying? But when I saw these pairs, I was like, oh, do these pairs correlate a lot and stuff like that? Because like they were moving in like the same confirmations and stuff. But I was like, nah. You know what I'm saying? So meet my drawings, weekly time frame, as you already know, weekly time frame, auto and refresh chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. I saw this. I was like, bro, these they correlate or something, bro. Because like it's moving in like the same movements. It's usually like almost the same pair, but it's not the same pair. It's GBP USD and Euro USD. You know what I'm saying? It's a Great British Pound versus the Euro USD. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, oh, these pairs correlate and stuff. But anyway, I marked out my highs and my low, my overall high and my overall low. I was like, we're in the consolidation trend again. You know what I'm saying? The first chart, go back 4 times. So I was like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Mark out my highs and my lows. Second step, mark out your highs and your lows. And there's no further highs above that. So I was like, nah, let me mark out areas over here. Yeah. So go to your line graph to basically confirm that you have marked out everything properly. I'm saying this is the reason why the market sold. So that's why I just wanted to put this over here so that we don't get confused. You know what I'm saying that's why I wanted to put that over here so that the newcomers will basically understand. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 touches. 3 touches, that means it's a valid area. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, no, the market created a high. Right? So market created a high and created a double top formation, and market created a low. Right? So the market actually broke the structure and we tested above it. So I was like, is that a higher high? Is that some sort of like a higher high or something? But like I was like, no, we'll basically see it clearly when we go to like some smaller time frames. I'm saying when we go to like lower time frames and stuff like that, because we can't make decisions of like the daily time frame, because you all know a candlestick opens and closes in a daily time frame. So if you're in a daily time frame, a candlestick opens and closes in like a day. You know what I'm saying? If you're in a 4-hour time frame, the candlestick opens and closes in like 4 hours or after 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? So I saw my highs, my lows, my lows, my highs, my highs. I was like, we're in a bullish trend over it. You know what I'm saying? And the overall movement of a bullish trend is fast. So I was like, okay, In a bullish trend, that means like we're in an overall buy trend. In other words, you know what I'm saying, I was like, bro, we're in an overall buy trend. So this is the area that I showed you, the high that the market created and the market broke it and stuff like that. I was like, bro, we're in an overall high because like I can literally connect my dots to come with like something like a bullish trend. But I was like, nah, it's too close to like this trend line. So I was like, I don't want to make my chart dirty and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying, as I showed you in the other pair, 4 hour, we're still coming to analyze. We're still coming to analyze. You know what I'm saying, we're marking out areas that have fewer more touches. You know what I'm saying, that's why we basically coming to mark out areas that have fewer more touches, right? Areas that have 3 or more touches, right? Go back to a line chart to basically confirm what you saw. I was like, bro, there's literally nothing that I can do on like the 4 hour time frame because I have my support, I have my resistance. We just gotta wait for the market to see what the market does. I was like, let me go to a 1 hour time frame. When I went to a 1 hour time frame, I saw it clearly. I saw everything clearly. I was like, what the fuck is going on? Can you remove this? Can you remove this? When I saw this, I was like, bro, there's a double top formation over here. This is a double top or it's equal highs or something. You know what I'm saying? For those that uses SMC or something, they'll tell you about equal highs and stuff like that. But we retail traders, we call it double top and double bottom. That's what we call it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a retail trader. Don't get it twisted. I don't know nothing about SMC and stuff like that. So I saw it. I was like, there's a double top formation. There's a double top formation, and when I looked at it clearly, I was like, there's also a bullish trend. There's also a bullish trend over here. I was like, there's also a bullish trend. I'm like, yeah, there's also a bullish trend. So this bullish trend, this very, very beautiful bullish trend, to be honest. And the market was like playing around this area right here. When the market was playing around this area, I looked at it very, very clearly. I was like, bro, this is some sort of like a respected area. This is some sort of like a respected area. Because if you can look at it clearly, we can see that the market has been failing over here. The market has been failing over here. I was like, this is some sort of like a respected area. You know what I'm saying? But I was too skeptical on this trade. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I didn't enter this trade. I was too skeptical on it. I was like, bro, I don't want to take this trade. It has like a lot of confirmations, but I was like, nah, bro, I don't want to take it because like the market can literally just fake out over here and start buying. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, no, I don't want to take this trade, to be honest. But like when the market created a lower high over here, that was my confirmation of taking sales, bro. Because my trading plan says you need 2 or more confirmations to basically enter a trade, right? My first confirmation, double top formation. Second confirmation, lower high. Third confirmation, being at this resistant area. This very, very, very solid resistant area. I was like, bro, alright, I don't want to take it though. I was like, okay, take it upon breakout there. If the market breaks out, we enter. You know what I'm saying? That's why my chart had something like this. That's why I had something like this. That's why I had something like this. See? And I was like, bro, if the market actually buys, if the market starts buying, then because like the market is over here, I was like, if the market starts buying, then we're gonna wait for the market to create what, to break this equal highs or to break this double top and break it, retest it above it, and then basically go back up because the market will be creating a high and a low and a confirmation for that, right? So as you saw, those were the trades that I took, and that was how I took my trades. That was how I took my trades. And yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying. As you can see, this big area, this was like the high that the market created. So I know for a fact if the market actually rejects over here, then it will be respecting this high that the market created, and we're just gonna go above it. And For those that don't know what I mean by high, I mean like that high that I showed you in like the daily time frame. The high that I showed you in the daily time frame. This high over here. You know what I'm saying? That's what I showed you in the daily time frame. So if the market comes back, I know for a fact that it's respecting that. So yeah, bro. But that's the end of the video. That's the end of the video. Please be sure to hit that like button, bro. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Comment down below. Just comment 500 subscribers on the way. 500 subscribers on the way, so that I know that you watched the video to the end, bro. Comment 500 subscribers on the way, and yeah, bro. Let's just milk it. 2023. We're going hard, but let's go.